Deepening emotional connection through creative expression. Welcome to Secrets of a Successful Relationship. In this video, we will explore how to deepen emotional connection through creative expression. Join us as we delve into the power of art, music, writing, photography, cooking, and more to foster trust and strengthen emotional bonds in your relationship. Stay tuned to discover unique ways to enhance intimacy and understanding with your partner. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button for more tips on building a thriving relationship together. How to use art and creative activities to foster trust in a relationship. Art and creative activities provide a unique and powerful way to foster trust in a relationship. When couples engage in creative expressions together, they are able to tap into their emotions, thoughts, and vulnerabilities in a nonverbal and often subconscious way. This can lead to a deepening of their emotional connection, as each partner begins to understand and appreciate the other's inner world on a more profound level. One reason why art and creativity are effective in building trust is that they allow partners to communicate in a different language. Through painting, drawing, writing, or other forms of artistic expression, individuals can convey feelings and ideas that may be difficult to articulate verbally. This can create a safe space for sharing intimate thoughts and emotions, fostering a sense of mutual understanding and acceptance in the relationship. Furthermore, engaging in creative activities together promotes collaboration and mutual support, which are key components of building trust. When partners work on a creative project together, they learn to rely on each other, communicate effectively, and problem solve as a team. These experiences of working towards a common goal can strengthen the bond between partners and cultivate a sense of unity and trust in their relationship. Lastly, art and creative activities encourage vulnerability and risk-taking, which are essential for developing trust. By stepping out of their comfort zones and experimenting with new forms of expression, partners demonstrate courage and openness to one another. This willingness to be vulnerable and take risks can create a foundation of trust based on authenticity and mutual respect, ultimately deepening the emotional connection in the relationship. Exploring the role of music and dance in strengthening emotional bonds. Music and dance play a significant role in strengthening emotional bonds in relationships. By engaging in shared musical and dance experiences, partners can develop a deeper connection through the power of rhythm, melody, and movement. Music has been shown to have a profound impact on emotions, with certain songs triggering nostalgia, joy, or even sadness. Similarly, dance allows partners to communicate nonverbally, syncing their movements and creating a sense of harmony that can enhance their emotional connection. One intriguing aspect of music's effect on relationships is its ability to synchronize brainwaves. Studies have found that when individuals listen to music together, their brain activity can align, leading to a shared emotional experience. This synchronization can create feelings of closeness and connection between partners, as they respond to the same rhythms and melodies in unison. In the context of relationships, this synchronized brain activity through music can foster a sense of empathy and emotional attunement between partners. Furthermore, dancing together can be a powerful way to strengthen emotional bonds in relationships. When partners engage in synchronized movement on the dance floor, they are not only sharing a physical activity but also mirroring each other's gestures and expressions. This mirroring effect can create a sense of unity and rapport, as partners experience a sense of mutual understanding and connection through movement. Additionally, the physical closeness and touch involved in dancing can release oxytocin, a hormone known as the love hormone, which promotes bonding and trust between individuals. Incorporating music and dance into a relationship can also provide opportunities for partners to let go of inhibitions, have fun, and experience moments of joy together. Dancing, in particular, has been linked to increased feelings of happiness and well-being. By sharing these positive experiences, partners can create lasting memories and strengthen their emotional bonds through shared laughter, spontaneity, and playfulness. Ultimately, exploring the roles of music and dance in relationships can help partners connect on a deeper emotional level and create shared moments of joy and harmony. The power of writing love letters and poetry to deepen your connection. Expressing love through writing, such as love letters and poetry, can be a powerful way to deepen the connection between partners in a relationship. Writing allows individuals to articulate their deepest feelings and emotions, providing a tangible expression of their love and devotion. Love letters, in particular, offer a personal and intimate way to communicate with a partner, as they convey heartfelt sentiments that can strengthen the emotional bond between two people. Through the act of writing, partners can share their innermost thoughts and feelings, fostering a sense of vulnerability and authenticity in the relationship. One interesting aspect of writing love letters and poetry is the timeless quality of these gestures. Unlike digital communication, which can be fleeting and easily forgotten, love letters and poetry have a lasting impact. Handwritten letters, in particular, hold a sense of nostalgia and romanticism, evoking sentiments of love that can be cherished and revisited over time. The act of writing by hand adds a personal touch to the communication, making it feel more special and meaningful to both the writer and the recipient. Moreover, writing love letters and poetry allows partners to express their creativity and artistry in a way that is unique to their relationship. Through the use of language, imagery, and metaphor, individuals can convey the depth of their feelings and the beauty of their connection in a poetic and eloquent manner. Writing can be a form of self-expression and a way to showcase one's innermost thoughts and emotions, allowing partners to connect on a deeper level through the shared experience of creating something beautiful together. In addition, love letters and poetry can serve as keepsakes that partners can revisit in moments of joy, sadness, or reflection. These written expressions of love can act as a reminder of the bond shared between two individuals, immortalizing special moments and sentiments that define the relationship. By exchanging love letters and poetry, partners can create a written legacy of their love, capturing the essence of their connection in words that will endure through time. Using photography and scrapbooking to capture special moments together. Photography and scrapbooking offer a creative and meaningful way for couples to capture and preserve special moments together. Through the lens of a camera, partners can immortalize precious memories and experiences, creating a visual narrative of their shared journey. By documenting these moments through photography, couples can look back on their adventures, milestones, and everyday moments, serving as a tangible reminder of their bond. One fascinating aspect of using photography and scrapbooking is the ability to personalize the experience. Couples can curate their photographs and memories in a way that reflects their unique relationship and shared interests. Scrapbooking allows partners to showcase their creativity by designing layouts, selecting embellishments, and adding personal touches to their visual representations of cherished moments. This hands-on approach to preserving memories can make the process more intimate and engaging for both individuals involved. Furthermore, the act of engaging in photography and scrapbooking together can foster collaboration and strengthen the bond between partners. By working together to select, organize, and display their photos, couples can engage in a shared activity that requires communication, compromise, and creativity. This collaborative effort can deepen their connection by creating a joint project that celebrates their relationship and the experiences they've shared. In addition to capturing special moments, photography and scrapbooking offer a therapeutic outlet for couples to express themselves and reflect on their relationship. Through the process of selecting photos, arranging layouts, and writing accompanying captions, partners can explore their feelings, memories, and aspirations together. This reflective practice can nurture emotional intimacy and provide a space for couples to celebrate their love and connection in a tangible and artistic way. Cooking and food sharing as a way to enhance intimacy and understanding. Cooking and food sharing can serve as a powerful means for couples to deepen their intimacy and understanding of each other. Exploring culinary endeavors together provides partners with a unique opportunity to connect on a sensory level, engaging sight, smell, taste, and touch. By working side by side in the kitchen, couples can cultivate teamwork, communication, and cooperation, ultimately fostering a stronger bond through the shared experience of preparing and enjoying a meal. One intriguing aspect of cooking and food sharing is the chance to learn about each other's culinary preferences, cultural backgrounds, and personal stories. By sharing recipes, cooking techniques, and favorite foods, partners can gain insight into each other's tastes, memories, and traditions. This exchange not only facilitates a greater understanding of each other but also creates a space for appreciation and celebration of the diverse influences that shape their relationship. Furthermore, cooking together can be a playful and enjoyable way for couples to relax, unwind, and express creativity in the kitchen. Experimenting with new recipes, ingredients, and cuisines can spark excitement and novelty in the relationship, infusing it with a sense of adventure and shared discovery. The act of cooking side by side encourages couples to let loose, have fun, and embrace spontaneity, creating lasting memories and positive experiences that strengthen their emotional connection. In addition to creating delicious meals together, sharing food can evoke feelings of warmth, comfort, and care within a relationship. Sitting down to enjoy a homemade meal that partners have prepared together can be a nurturing and loving gesture that communicates thoughtfulness and attentiveness. This shared ritual of breaking bread can symbolize the sustenance and support that partners provide for each other, fostering a sense of security and closeness in their relationship. Deepening emotional connection through creative expression. Intrigued to dive deeper into fostering a stronger emotional connection in your relationship through creative expression? Explore more secrets and tips on Secrets of a Successful Relationship. Don't miss out on future insights. Subscribe now and hit the like button to keep building a thriving relationship together.